If you are women over 40, chances are you might be on the path through perimenopause or menopause. Are you curious to find out? In this video, I will share with you the 10 quick questions that I often discuss with my clients. These questions can provide valuable insights into your unique situation so you can start your search for solutions. Now, if you're new to this channel, I'm Miyako Hazama, a menopause energy expert and mentor. My mission is to help professional women in perimenopause and menopause relieve their challenges naturally by tapping into the little-known Asian energetic fountain of youth. I want to emphasize one key point right from the start. Determining whether the fatigue or dizziness you're experiencing is related to hormonal changes during perimenopause or menopause is a crucial first step. Studies indicate that 46%, nearly half of perimenopausal women experience symptoms of physical and mental exhaustion. Have you observed this phenomenon in your workplace or perhaps heard about it from friends? Now let's move on to the 10 quick questions for self-assessment. Number 1, are you a woman over 40? Number 2, have you noticed changes in your menstrual cycle? Number 3, have you experienced a significant decrease in your energy levels? 4, do you experience hot flashes, cold flashes, or night sweats? 5, have you noticed any sudden uncontrollable changes in your mood? 6, have you had difficulty sleeping or noticed changes in your sleep patterns? 7, have you noticed changes in your weight or body composition that can't be explained by diet or exercise? Do you have brain fog or difficulty concentrating? Are you experiencing other physical symptoms such as joint pain, headaches, or migraines? The last and final question, are you feeling stressed, anxious, or emotionally overwhelmed? After you've answered these 10 questions, and when you discover that you're experiencing one or more of these symptoms alongside the typical tiredness and considering your age range and menstrual cycle, chances are you're on the journey through perimenopause or menopause. If you're watching this video at the perfect time and are eager to uncover the deeper cause of why fatigue or dizziness has been affecting you and want to learn how to manage these challenges to regain your energy effectively, I have something extraordinary in store for you. I'm hosting an exclusive free live workshop tailored for a limited number of selected group of women. If the timing is right for you, the link to reserve your spot is right below this video. Secure your spot before it's gone.